Now we're going to play I Put Everything. Yes, can remember.
To rest my feet, I put everything into looking for this. I put everything. Tell me what it's all for. Tell me when I get through to the other side. Tell me what it's all for. Tell me when I get through to the other side. Tell me what it's all for. Tell me when I get through to the other side. I wanna shout in my hometown. Put it back now. Saw too much, it won't slow down. Put it back now. Anything I can get my hands on. I want anything I can get my hands on. No matter if it's all made of cardboard, the silhouette looks the same from far away. Tell me when I get through to the other side. Tell me when I get through to the other side. Tell me when I get through to the other side. The idea that I fell in love with come to destroy a powerful thing. And every blade of grass cuts my legs and makes me wonder if this is the place. My eyes never lie, see the light and let me wonder if I followed it right. No matter if it's all made of cardboard, I followed it right. No matter if it's all made of cardboard, the silhouette looks the same from far away.
Wonderful stuff, absolutely brilliant. There you have it, Morgan Noyes live in session. She Dreamed, followed by I Put Everything. You picked up the saxophone for that, just brilliant to hear.
Yeah, just in time. I always forget to do it at the start, and then halfway through the song I have to grab.
Yeah, where is it?
Yeah.
I was thinking of moving it just on the slide behind, just for a bit of fun. But we've not mentioned Fat Dog, and we probably should. So you're a member of Fat Dog as well?
Yeah, I play saxophone in Fat Dog.
Absolutely, okay. Well, it's been brilliant. And I need to say thank you not only to all of you, but also to Amy, to Carwyn, to Mark Plant and to Gaz and Jolie for all the work that they've done on the programme. But yeah, you're great.
Thanks a million.
Thank you for having us.
It's a real pleasure.
Well,
thank you.
Thanks.